Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start on the Android. Open Settings and turn on Mobile Hotspot. Choose a clear SSID and a WPA2 password so the iPhone can join securely. Once done, set the AP band to 2. 4 GHz if your iPhone can't see 5 GHz networks because compatibility matters. Now confirm mobile data is active and tethering is allowed by your carrier. Make sure data limits won't block the connection. Keep the hotspot screen visible. You'll need the SSID and password when you switch to the iPhone. On the iPhone, go straight to Settings, right arrow Wi-Fi, and watch for the Android SSID. This can take a few seconds. Tap the network name, type the password exactly as shown on Android, case matters, and press Join. If the iPhone asks to trust the network or presents a captive portal, accept it to allow internet access. Once connected, check the Wi-Fi icon at the top. If the iPhone shows no internet, toggle Wi-Fi briefly off and on to refresh the DHCP lease, because that often resolves address assignment issues. Finish by opening Safari or another app to confirm internet access. If loading fails, first turn off Bluetooth personal hotspot features to avoid connection conflicts. If still stuck, restart both devices and carefully retype the password. Mistyped credentials are the most common issue. As a final fix, switch the hotspot band between 2, 4 and 5 GHz or reset network settings on the iPhone because DHCP and band mismatches are frequent culprits. If nothing helps, contact your carrier to verify
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.